Hello and welcome to Cannon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Quickmill Vetrano, and the steam pressure is, or the steam temperature is set at 248, and you can see the pressure is at 1 bar. I see it fluctuating a little bit. It's going up to like 251, down to 250. So let's go ahead and purge, and then after we purge, I put the frother on the lip here to give me a nice fixed point, and then we'll do some frothing, really nice whirlpool effect. You can see the mouth expanding really well. And now, once it's expanded as much as it can, then you just drop it down until it gets as hot as hot as you want it. That's good there for me. So then I'll quick purge it. Tap it. You can see the foam on top. I'm just homogenizing. I'm just going to pour it in this cup. You can see I have nice thick foam here. So I think the steamer is working just great. So thank you for watching with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.